You can also shop over 4,000 more cars and trucks online at edmartin.com.
Come test drive the 2013 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. The Jeep Wrangler Unlimited is an on- and off-road capable vehicle that was made for you to enjoy. Stylish, rugged, and comfortable, all traits of the Wrangler that let you decide where you want to go and how you want to get there, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, four-wheel drive, cruise control, floor mats, four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.
Nine convenient locations, 12 top-selling brands, and over 4,000 new and used cars and trucks online at edmartin.com. Ed Martin is the only name you need to know.